On May 12, 2025, NASA and its partners unveiled a wealth of captivating findings from the cosmos that highlight the ever-expanding horizons of astronomical exploration. These announcements, ranging from extraordinary visual captures of planetary phenomena to groundbreaking instruments aimed at uncovering the mysteries of our solar system, demonstrate not only the advancements in technology but also the insatiable curiosity that drives humanity to explore the universe. One of the standout revelations came from the European Space Agency's Gaia mission, which recently reconstructed an unprecedented side view of the Milky Way galaxy. By analyzing location data from over a billion stars, scientists created a striking illustration that reveals the thin central disk of our galaxy, a feature that mirrors many other spiral galaxies. This disk, where our solar system resides, exhibits a surprising curvature at its outer edges. The colors seen in this warped band are largely attributed to dark dust, bright blue stars, and red emission nebulas. ESA's Gaia mission was deactivated in March after a successful run, and the ongoing analysis of this data promises to deepen our understanding of the galaxy's structure and formation. Meanwhile, the James Webb Space Telescope continues to astound with its high-resolution captures of celestial phenomena. Recent images reveal Jupiter's auroras, which shine with a brilliance hundreds of times greater than those on Earth. These vibrant displays result from high-energy particles colliding with the planet's atmosphere near its magnetic poles. Unlike Earth's auroras, Jupiter's are augmented by particles ejected from volcanic activity on its moon Io. Jonathan Nichols, a scientist from the University of Leicester, led the study that produced these remarkable images, which were published in Nature Communications. Nichols remarked, "Jupiter's auroras are a breathtaking reminder of the dynamic processes at play within our solar system." In another inspiring development, NASA's Don Pettit, the agency's oldest active astronaut, recently returned to Earth after an impressive 220-day mission aboard the International Space Station. During his time in space, Pettit leveraged his passion for photography to capture stunning images of both Earth and the cosmos. "I could try to give them a glimpse through my imagery," he stated, reflecting on the unique perspective he gained. His artistry in photography allowed him to document everything from auroras to the intricate patterns of lightning, illustrating the beauty that surrounds us from above. Pettit's work serves as a bridge for those on Earth to connect with the wonders of space. Adding to the excitement, NASA's Europa Clipper mission has made strides in its preparations for exploring one of the solar system's most intriguing moons, Europa. During a recent flyby of Mars, the spacecraft's thermal imager Themis successfully captured a series of infrared images, allowing scientists to test the instrument's capabilities. Phil Christensen from Arizona State University, the principal investigator of Themis, highlighted the importance of this calibration. If Europa is a really active place, those fractures where the ocean comes close to the surface will be warmer than the surrounding ice. This mission aims to investigate Europa's icy shell and its potential for harboring life, marking a significant step in our quest for understanding extraterrestrial environments. As exploration continues to unfold across the solar system, these recent advances illustrate not only the technological prowess of our space agencies but also the profound questions that lie ahead. The ongoing analysis of star data from Gaia, the awe-inspiring images captured by Webb, Pettit's artistic endeavors in space, and the ambitious goals of the Europa Clipper mission all signify a thrilling era of discovery. As scientists and enthusiasts alike look to the skies, the future promises to unveil even more about the universe and our place within it. With each new finding, we inch closer to unraveling the mysteries that await among the stars. In a remarkable demonstration of the intersection between art and science, NASA astronaut Don Pettit has returned from a 220-day mission aboard the International Space Station (ISS), leaving behind a stunning legacy of photography that captures the beauty and intricacies of Earth and the cosmos. As the oldest active astronaut at the age of 70, Pettit has not only contributed to scientific research but has also shared the wonders of space through his lens, giving people on Earth a glimpse of the universe from a perspective few will ever experience. Pettit's journey concluded on April 20, coinciding with his birthday, marking his fourth trip into space. During his time aboard the ISS, he engaged in various scientific experiments, educational outreach with students, and rigorous physical exercise to counteract the effects of prolonged weightlessness. Yet it was his photography that truly stood out. Most people on Earth will never get a chance to go to space. I could try to give them a glimpse through my imagery, he remarked during a recent news conference. Equipped with multiple cameras, Pettit employed innovative techniques to capture breathtaking images of Earth, the stars, and phenomena such as auroras and lightning. He often set up 5 cameras simultaneously in the ISS's cupola, a module designed for panoramic views. The challenge of photographing in space is significant, with the ISS traveling at 5 miles per second and Earth rotating beneath. Capturing still images requires creativity and technical skill. Sometimes Pettit utilized a homemade device known as an orbital sidereal tracker to stabilize his shots of the night sky, enabling him to capture crystal-clear images of the Milky Way and other celestial bodies. The results of his efforts are nothing short of extraordinary. From the vibrant colors of auroras created by solar particles interacting with Earth's atmosphere to the mesmerizing sight of lightning above the Amazon basin, Pettit's work blends science with artistry. He documented the glow of city lights at night, wildfires, and even human activities such as fishing, where the lights used to attract squid mirrored the hues of natural auroras. I think these are a blend of both science and art, Pettit shared on social media, emphasizing the dual nature of his work. Not confined to photography, Pettit also indulged his curiosity with whimsical science experiments. He conducted demonstrations with electrically charged water droplets and even created intricate patterns in frozen water, showcasing the unique opportunities that microgravity offers. "I want to do things in space that you can only do in space," he stated, highlighting his enthusiasm for exploration and discovery. As Pettit reflects on his experiences, he remains open to the possibility of future space missions. While he is not the oldest person to have traveled to space, this title belongs to John Glenn, who flew at 77. Pettit's contributions to science and art through his photography have left an indelible mark on our understanding of the universe. "I could see getting another flight or 2 in before I'm ready to hang up my rocket nozzles," he remarked, hinting at the potential for continued exploration. Meanwhile, the ISS itself is approaching a critical juncture in its operational life, with plans for decommissioning by 2030 facilitated by SpaceX. The collaboration between NASA and SpaceX to safely deorbit the ISS reflects the evolution of space exploration and the need for sustainable practices in low Earth orbit. As Pettit's work reminds us of the beauty and fragility of our planet, the future of human activity in space promises to be equally compelling, blending the legacies of past missions with the innovations of tomorrow. As we look forward, the intersection of art, science, and space exploration remains a vibrant frontier, one that continues to inspire and captivate the imagination of people around the globe. The legacy of astronauts like Don Pettit ensures that the wonders of space are shared with all, illuminating the skies above us and the mysteries that lie beyond. In an exciting move to engage the public in its lunar exploration efforts, NASA is set to host a live event on Twitch, inviting global creators to contribute to the design of a zero-gravity indicator for the upcoming Artemis II mission. Scheduled for May 13 at 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the event will feature an artist creating a sample design based on real-time feedback from viewers, showcasing innovative ways to include the public in space exploration initiatives. The Moon Mascot Challenge allows participants of all ages to submit their design ideas for a plush zero-gravity indicator, a small item carried aboard spacecraft to visually signify when the crew has reached space. This contest aims to foster creativity and inspire the next generation of space enthusiasts. Up to 25 finalists will be chosen, with the Artemis II crew selecting one winning design that NASA's Thermal Blanket Lab will fabricate for the mission. This involvement not only highlights NASA's commitment to public engagement but also serves as a reminder of the agency's broader goals, as Artemis II is poised to be the first crewed mission under the Artemis program, paving the way for future human exploration of Mars. The Artemis II mission will see astronauts Reed Wiseman, Victor Glover, Christina Koch, And Canadian Space Agency astronaut Jeremy Hansen embark on a 10-day journey around the Moon, marking a significant milestone in NASA's endeavor to return humans to lunar soil and eventually send them to Mars. As NASA emphasizes the importance of collaborative efforts, the Twitch event is expected to spark interest and creativity among participants, with the resulting designs being shared across NASA's social media platforms. In other news, NASA astronaut Don Pettit recently returned to Earth after an impressive 220 days aboard the International Space Station ISS, where he not only conducted scientific experiments but also captured breathtaking photographs of Earth and space. Celebrating his 70th birthday on the day of his return, Pettit's passion for photography enabled him to share a unique perspective of the cosmos, blending science and art through his lens. His work included capturing stunning images of the Milky Way auroras and various earthly phenomena, showcasing the beauty and complexity of our planet from above. Meanwhile, astronauts Nicole Ayers and Anne McLean are set to engage with students in Bethpage, New York through a pre-recorded Earth-to-Space call. Scheduled for May 16, this interaction aims to inspire students in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics STEM fields, reinforcing NASA's commitment to education and outreach. This event aligns with the agency's mission to prepare for future lunar and Martian explorations, ensuring that the next generation is equipped to continue the legacy of space exploration. As NASA continues to push the boundaries of human spaceflight with initiatives like the Artemis program, the agency remains dedicated to fostering public interest and participation in its missions. The upcoming events not only highlight the technological advancements and scientific discoveries being made, but also serve to inspire curiosity and passion for space among people of all ages. Looking ahead, as NASA prepares for its return to the Moon, the agency's collaborative efforts with the public and educational institutions will play a crucial role in shaping the future of exploration beyond our planet. In an exciting development for solar science, NASA has unveiled the coffee's consequences of fields and flows in the interior and exterior of the SunDrive Science Center, aimed at deepening our understanding of solar activity and its implications for life on Earth and beyond. Launched from Stanford University, this innovative initiative represents a collaborative effort among leading institutions to study the complexities of the Sun's magnetic field and its cycles, which have profound effects on our planet's environment and space weather. Led by principal investigator J. Todd Hoeksema, COFEES is tackling critical questions about the solar cycle, such as what drives large-scale plasma motions and how flows interact with magnetic fields to produce varying solar activity. Despite advancements in observational technology and computational modeling, many mysteries remain regarding how the Sun generates and sustains its magnetic field. The project seeks to address these gaps in knowledge by linking observations, theoretical frameworks, and advanced simulations. One of the central themes of COFEES is the examination of mysterious layers within the Sun, particularly the tachocline and the near-surface shear layer. The tachocline, situated approximately one-third of the way to the solar core, marks a significant transition in the Sun's rotation and magnetic field behavior. Meanwhile, the near-surface shear layer, residing just beneath the solar surface, also plays a crucial role in magnetic dynamics. By studying these layers, scientists hope to unlock the secrets behind solar activity patterns, which have a direct impact on both space weather and terrestrial climate. The implications of this research extend far beyond mere academic curiosity. Understanding solar variability is vital for forecasting space weather events that can disrupt satellite communications, power grids, and even pose risks to astronauts in space. As Dr. Hoeksema notes, our understanding of solar activity informs not only our predictions of space weather but also our comprehension of planetary atmospheres, including those of exoplanets. Moreover, COFEES serves an educational purpose by engaging the public and inspiring future generations to pursue careers in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics STEM. The initiative aims to foster a new generation of heliophysicists who can continue unraveling the complexities of our star and its influence on the solar system. In an era where space exploration and understanding our cosmic environment are more critical than ever, COFEES stands as a beacon of progress. By combining expertise from institutions such as the New Jersey Institute of Technology, the University of California, Santa Cruz, and NASA's Ames Research Center, the project not only enhances our understanding of the Sun but also prepares us for the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead in our exploration of the universe. As the Coffee's team embarks on this ambitious journey, the scientific community watches with anticipation, eager to see how their findings will illuminate the intricate dance of solar activity and its far-reaching consequences. With the promise of new discoveries on the horizon, the exploration of our Sun is poised to yield insights that could reshape our understanding of stellar physics and its implications for life on Earth and beyond. NASA's Europa Clipper mission is making headlines not just for its ambitious journey to explore Jupiter's moon Europa but also for its unexpected encounter with Mars. On March 1, 2025, the spacecraft conducted a close flyby of the red planet, capturing infrared images that serve both as a stunning glimpse of Mars and as a critical step in preparing for its primary mission. The flyby provided an invaluable opportunity for scientists to calibrate the Europa Thermal Emission Imaging System (ETHEMIS), ensuring it performs optimally when the spacecraft reaches its destination in 2030. The images taken during the flyby showcase temperature variations across Mars, revealing bright areas that are approximately 32 degrees Fahrenheit 0 degrees Celsius and dark regions that plunge to around -190 degrees Fahrenheit -125 degrees Celsius. According to Phil Christensen, principal investigator of ETHEMIS at Arizona State University, the thermal imaging will play a key role in evaluating Europa's geological activity. "We want to measure the temperature of those features," he noted, highlighting the importance of detecting warmer regions that could indicate recent geological activity or the presence of subsurface water. The flyby was not merely a scenic detour, it was a strategic maneuver to utilize Mars' gravitational pull to adjust Europa Clipper's trajectory, enhancing the spacecraft's speed on its journey to the gas giant. During the 18-minute period of data collection, the ETHEMIS instrument captured over 1,000 infrared images, which were transmitted back to Earth for analysis starting May 5. The images will be cross-referenced with decades of existing Mars data to ensure the calibration of ETHEMIS is precise. Furthermore, the flyby allowed engineers to test other critical systems of Europa Clipper, including its radar instruments, which had never been operated together in space before. Early assessments indicate that these tests were successful, paving the way for future missions to conduct similar operations at Europa. The significance of this Mars flyby extends beyond the immediate scope of the Europa Clipper mission. It underscores the ongoing exploration of Mars and the potential discoveries about the planet's past. Recent seismic data from NASA's InSight mission has revealed compelling evidence of a vast reservoir of liquid water locked beneath the Martian crust. This finding challenges long-standing theories about Mars' water history and raises intriguing questions about the potential for life on the planet. The seismic waves captured by InSight have indicated a low-velocity layer between 5.4 and 8 kilometers below the surface, suggesting a porous rock layer saturated with water. This reservoir could potentially hold more water than Earth's largest ice sheet, leading scientists to speculate about its implications for both ancient Martian ecosystems and future human exploration. The presence of liquid water beneath the surface could provide essential resources for astronauts, such as drinking water, oxygen, and fuel. As the Europa Clipper prepares for its journey to Jupiter, its recent observations of Mars not only reaffirm the mission's scientific objectives but also enhance our understanding of the solar system as a whole. The insights gained from this flyby could inform future missions to Mars, particularly those aimed at uncovering the planet's hidden secrets and its potential to support life. With the Europa Clipper set to conduct a series of 49 flybys around Europa, the mission promises to deepen our knowledge of one of the solar system's most intriguing moons. The combination of thermal imaging and radar data will provide unprecedented insights into Europa's icy shell and the ocean beneath it, potentially revealing whether this distant world could harbor life. As we look to the future, the ongoing exploration of both Mars and Europa remains a testament to humanity's quest to understand the cosmos and our place within it. In a bold move to engage with the public and promote creativity in space exploration, NASA has announced a live event on Twitch to kick off the Moon Mascot Challenge. This initiative invites participants from around the globe to design a zero-gravity indicator for the upcoming Artemis II mission, which is set to be the first crewed flight of NASA's Artemis program. Scheduled for May 13 at 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The event will allow viewers to interact with an artist in real time, providing input on the design of a plush mascot that will accompany astronauts on their journey around the Moon. Zero-gravity indicators serve a crucial role in space missions, providing visual cues to the crew when they enter microgravity. The challenge is open to creators of all ages, with up to 25 finalists being selected to present their designs. Ultimately, the Artemis II crew will choose one design which will be fabricated by NASA's Thermal Blanket Lab to accompany them in the Orion spacecraft. This initiative not only fosters creativity but also underscores NASA's commitment to involving the public in its missions. The Artemis II mission is set to carry NASA astronauts Reid Wiseman, Victor Glover, and Christina Koch alongside Canadian Space Agency astronaut Jeremy Hansen on a 10-day journey around the Moon. This mission is pivotal as it lays the groundwork for future human exploration on the lunar surface and beyond, including potential missions to Mars. In a related development, Congresswoman Jennifer McClellan has introduced the Celestial Time Standardization Act, aimed at establishing a consistent method for timekeeping on the Moon. This legislation, which has garnered bipartisan support, is seen as essential for supporting future lunar operations and infrastructure. The proposed standard, known as Coordinated Lunar Time (LTC), would address the challenges posed by the Moon's unique gravitational environment, which affects timekeeping accuracy. Currently, NASA employs various timekeeping methods such as spacecraft event time and mission elapsed time, but as lunar exploration becomes more complex, a unified standard will be crucial for ensuring safe and efficient operations. Meanwhile, innovation is also taking place at Northeastern University, where a team of students is developing a mixed reality system to control a lunar rover for NASA's Spacesuit User Interface Technologies for Students Suits competition. This cutting-edge project aims to enhance astronaut capabilities as they work on long-term lunar settlements. By utilizing virtual reality technology, the students are creating an interface that allows users to control the rover and its autonomous driving features, potentially revolutionizing how astronauts interact with robotic systems on the Moon. As these initiatives unfold, they highlight the increasing collaboration between government agencies, educational institutions, and the public in the pursuit of space exploration. From designing mascots to standardizing timekeeping and developing advanced control systems, these efforts reflect a collective ambition to push the boundaries of human presence in space. Looking ahead, the integration of public participation and innovative technologies will play a significant role in shaping the future of space exploration. The Artemis II mission and the accompanying initiatives set the stage for a new era where collaboration and creativity are essential components of humanity's journey beyond Earth. As NASA continues to pave the way for lunar exploration, the excitement and engagement from both the public and emerging technologies promise a thrilling future for space exploration.